Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can connect your iPad with an external monitor. So let's begin the video. First of all guys, if you are new to this channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and enable bell notifications so that you get notified for my latest upcoming videos. Anyways, for this you're going to need a total of 3 things. First of all, your iPad. Here I have my iPad Air which has a USB type C port, and we're going to use this port to connect our iPad with an external monitor. Second thing is that you're going to need some kind of adapter. The one end will be a USB type C port and the other end will be a HDMI port. So basically this is a type C to HDMI converter. And lastly, you're going to need your HDMI to HDMI cable, because we're going to connect one end to our monitor and the other end will be connected to this converter. So for the converter, there are different converters available in the market. Some are very cheap like this one which get the job done, and some are expensive. Apple officially makes this kind of converter or adapter as well. I will put the link in the video description if you want to buy the official Apple's one. The main difference between these cheap ones and the good ones is that the good ones provide clearer display quality and higher frames per second or FPS. Anyways, in order to connect it, it's pretty simple. First of all, we're going to connect one end of the HDMI cable to the converter and the other end will be connected to our iPad. So we're just going to power on and log into the iPad. On the bottom we have the type C port. Just connect it, and once it is connected, on top of the iPad you're going to see this little icon showing that the iPad is connected to an external monitor, and it is showing it right here. So that's how simple and easy it is to connect it to the external monitor. If you open the settings of your iPad in display and brightness, you're going to also see the displays. This is the built-in iPad display and this is the external display that I have connected. If I click on it, you can change different options, and if I go down, you can also change the arrangement of the external display as well. Here guys, you can see the iPad connected with the adapter and it is connected with my external display. So if I scroll on the iPad, the same thing is shown on the external display. So basically the iPad screen is being mirrored on the second display. So you cannot say it as a second display because the screen is actually being mirrored. You can think of it as a larger display for the iPad. So let's say you're doing work on some documents where text is small and it is hard for you to read, then you can use the second display to read the text more clearly. Anyways guys, in this way you can connect an external monitor with your iPad. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.